Okay, as it says, there will be further instructions given in class. It says that right on the section 8 workbook sales report assignment. Further instructions given in class. Well, those further instructions are here. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this spreadsheet into one that calculates commission. We're going to pay our salespeople commission. Now what commission is a percentage or a calculation based on their results that turns into their pay. So they don't get paid by the hour, they get paid by how much they sell. So Will on Monday sold $962 in products and $505 in services for a total of $1,467. So in this simple commission structure, each of these employees will be paid a percentage of their overall sales. So we're going to widen column F and we're going to call it commission, and I'll put that up there. Let's get the same format going here. We'll slide that over like this. There we go. So in this space right here, we're going to put the commission calculation, and Will gets paid 10%. So we're typing in 0.1, and I'm going to format that as a percentage, 10%. So what I'd like to do is have 10% of this total show up here. So I use an equals this total times 10%. Enter. There we go. $146.79 is how much he made on Monday. Now, to go over that a little slower for you, 0.1 and 10% are the same thing. It's 1/10, or 10 over 100. So although in math class you learn to calculate percentages by multiplying and dividing by 100 and all that kind of business, let's just take 10% and convert it to its decimal equivalent of 0.1 and just type it in. We'll let Excel worry about how to format it and display it. So this formula here, multiplying their total by 10%, gives us the commission. We could do that again. The total times the commission rate, and again the total times the commission rate, and again the total times commission rate, and one last time the total times the commission rate. Now you're probably saying to yourself, that was awfully repetitive. Why didn't you just fill down? Well, you can't fill down. I'll show you why. If I take this and fill it down, I get a bunch of garbage. Why? It's because the 10% is only here in A4. We need A4 in all of these formulas, and now it's got a 5, and that one's got a 6, and that one's got a 7. So I'm just going to undo a couple times, get those back. The ones I put in correctly were all A4s, and I'll put a sum right there, and it tells me that for the week I owe Will $840. Now the advantage of this setup is that if I decide to give Will a raise and say he gets 11%, or 0.11, we can see how his pay goes up to $924. What if I paid him 12.5%? Oh, he would make $1050. So the purpose of the spreadsheet then is to allow us to type in a commission rate for each employee and have those commissions calculated according to that rate. So see if you can get that set up for all of these, and then watch the next video for a shortcut on how to enter these figures.